Today we're diving headfirst into the eternal struggle of staying motivated to exercise daily. Yep, that thing that we all promise ourselves we'll do right after we binge watch just one more episode. But fear not, because by the end of this video you'll be armed with enough motivation to make even the Energizer Bunny jealous. Let's kick things off with the number one question on everyone's mind. Why is it so dang hard to get off the couch and onto the treadmill? Well, blame it on our ancient ancestors, who didn't have to worry about Fitbits or counting calories because they were too busy outrunning saber-toothed tigers. Our brains are wired to conserve energy, folks. So convincing ourselves to hit the gym is like negotiating with a master negotiator, who, by the way, really loves cookies. Speaking of which, if you're looking for motivation, find a workout buddy who's as committed to fitness as they are to brunch. Nothing says, let's hit the gym, like the promise of post-workout pancakes. Am I right? Now, for those days when you'd rather binge watch your favorite show than do squats, remember this: start small. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a six-pack. Set achievable goals, like mastering that yoga pose. And when all else fails, fake it till you make it. Put on those workout clothes, blast your favorite playlist, and suddenly you'll feel like you can bench press a small car. Trust me, it works. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a gym rat or a cardio avoider, stay motivated to exercise daily is all about finding what works for you. And hey, if all else fails, there's always a promise of guilt-free pizza night. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you're ready to conquer your fitness goals. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on crushing life, one squat at a time.